Imagine a high-stakes showdown in the energy world where a giant like Shell faces off against a challenger in a battle over broken promises and soaring fuel costs. Now, picture Shell coming out on the losing end, forced to foot the bill for the whole ordeal. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this just about business savvy, or does it expose deeper cracks in how global energy deals are handled? Let's dive into the latest twist in the LNG saga, unpacking it all for you in simple terms, so even if you're new to the energy scene, you'll keep up easily. In a surprising turn of events, the International Chamber of Commerce has ruled that Shell, the British oil and gas behemoth, must cover the legal expenses incurred by Venture Global following their arbitration defeat. Venture Global, a key player in the liquefied natural gas (LNG) market, think of LNG as natural gas cooled to a liquid state for easier shipping across oceans, announced this development on Friday. A spokesperson for the company expressed enthusiasm about redirecting these funds toward vital coastal restoration projects along the Gulf of Mexico, emphasizing their commitment to environmental healing in a region battered by storms and industrial activity. To put this into context, LNG is a crucial energy source that powers homes and industries worldwide, but disputes can arise when supply chains falter. For instance, long-term contracts might promise steady deliveries, but what happens when spot market prices skyrocket due to global events? That's where things got messy for Venture Global, who allegedly failed to fulfill LNG deliveries under those agreements while capitalizing on higher spot prices. This mirrors a similar drama with BP, who just secured over $1 billion in a comparable arbitration case, highlighting how these energy giants are pushing back against what they see as unfavorable deals. And this is the part most people miss. Shell isn't taking this lying down. Just earlier this week, they launched a challenge to the arbitration outcome in the New York Supreme Court, signaling that the fight is far from over. Both Shell's case and BP's revolve around the fallout from Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine, which disrupted energy markets and sent LNG prices soaring, creating opportunities and temptations for companies to pivot to more lucrative spot sales rather than honoring long-term commitments. Now, here's a bold point to chew on. While Venture Global frames their victory as a win for accountability, critics might argue it's a slippery slope toward punishing businesses for adapting to volatile markets. Is it fair to enforce contracts in a world where geopolitical shocks like wars can make original deals obsolete? Or should energy companies have more flexibility to navigate price swings without facing massive legal repercussions? This ruling could set a precedent that either strengthens contract integrity or stifles innovation in the energy sector. What do you think? Do you side with the underdogs like Venture Global, or do the giants like Shell have a point about market realities? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's debate this energy puzzle together.